Welcome back to the Traders Union channel. In today's review, we'll explore XM Group, a well-known Forex and CFD broker with a long-standing international presence. Make sure to watch this video till the end. We'll cover XM's trading conditions, key advantages and disadvantages, and also take a look at a current promotion that allows traders to explore the platform in a competitive demo format. XM Group has been active since 2009 and over time has built a strong international presence, working with traders across multiple regions. The broker follows international AML and KYC requirements and operates under regulatory frameworks in several jurisdictions, which helps ensure a structured and transparent trading environment for all clients. Next, let's go over the trading conditions. XM Group offers access to a broad selection of financial instruments across different asset classes. Traders can work with Forex pairs, stock CFDs, indices, commodities, precious metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies via CFDs. The broker provides several account types designed to suit different trading approaches, making the platform accessible to both beginners and more experienced traders. Trading is carried out through widely used platforms such as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, as well as web-based and mobile versions. These platforms support technical analysis tools, automated trading, and flexible order execution. In addition, XM offers educational materials, webinars, and analytical resources to help traders better understand the markets and refine their strategies. Now, let's highlight advantages of XM Group. Regulated operations in multiple jurisdictions contributing to a compliant and structured trading environment. Wide selection of tradable instruments across major global markets. Accessible trading conditions suitable for traders with different levels of experience. Use of established MetaTrader platforms with support for automated trading. Availability of educational content and demo accounts for learning and strategy testing. And now, a few disadvantages. Some instruments and features may not be available in all regions due to regulatory restrictions. Trading costs, including spreads, can vary depending on market conditions. Cryptocurrency trading is available only through CFDs rather than direct ownership. The platform ecosystem is focused on MetaTrader solutions without proprietary trading platforms. In terms of regulation, XM Group operates under licenses from several recognized authorities. These include the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission for European clients and the International Financial Services Commission in Belize, among others. These regulatory frameworks require compliance with financial standards such as client fund segregation and certain investment protection measures depending on the jurisdiction. In summary, XM Group is a balanced and versatile broker that may be suitable for both new and experienced traders. It offers a wide range of markets, familiar trading platforms, and strong educational support while maintaining a regulated operational structure. At the same time, traders should carefully review regional conditions and product availability before opening an account. For a deeper analysis, we suggest checking out the full XM review on the Traders Union website. The link is available in the description. You can also test the broker's trading environment using a demo account or a small initial deposit. By the way, XM is currently offering paid demo trading competitions. Traders can participate in demo tournaments by paying a small entry fee and compete using virtual funds. Depending on the competition format and results, participants may receive withdrawable cash prizes. This allows traders to test their strategies in a competitive setting while keeping real market risk limited. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Traders Union channel to stay up to date with the latest market reviews, trading insights, and financial news. See you soon!